I deal with a snorer. That would be you, Rick.
Would you want me to raise my hand or something? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's really bad.
I know.
I can't even believe how quickly you can fall asleep and start snoring, and then you'll wake up, have a brief conversation with me, like, oh, am I snoring? Yes, you are. Oh, I'm so sorry.
I know. I can't help it. You know I can't help it. We've tried things.
Well, I've got some ideas. Some new things, perhaps, that we could try.
Why do I feel like these are not going to be good ideas?
You might love them.
I doubt it.
There are anti-snore pillows. Did you know that?
No, how does that work?
It properly places your head and your neck in a correct position. So, like with you, I notice you like to sleep on your back, and then your face goes into your neck like this.
Yes.
So there's no like proper.
It's not very attractive looking, trust me.
No.
I know. I'm an ugly sleeper.
Yes. I think you're very handsome when you're sleeping. Not so much. They say drink more water so you could hydrate. That would be good.
Yeah, I could do that. Yeah, of course. Everybody should be drinking lots of water. We hear that in every aspect of our life. That's a good thing for us, yes.
The nasal strips we've tried, that didn't work for you.
It's annoying having that garbage on your face.
It's annoying having a snorer next to you.
I know.
Taking a hot shower before bed, that's an option.
That's a good idea.
Using a mouth guard, I would love for you to try that, but I don't see that happening.
Or the big what's the big
oh yeah, for the sleep apnea, the mask, the Darth Vader mask.
Yeah, the Darth Vader. I feel like that'd be worse.
Yeah, that's why I don't push it on you, because I'm like, then I'd have to listen to that. Avoid alcohol before bed, or avoid alcohol completely. Sleep sitting up.
No.
Who's
going to do that?
We could put you like in a lazy
You're
boy.
gonna prop him up. Why don't I just sleep standing up or standing on my head?
Here's just a couple
That'll
more.
stop you from snoring.
You could try sleeping backwards with your head at the foot of the bed.
No.
No.
That sounds very uncomfortable too.
How about...
It's weird because your bed is flat, but whenever I've done that, I feel like I'm tilted one way or the other.
Which would maybe stop the snoring.
I don't know. I'm not doing that.
You can tie a tennis ball to the back of your pajamas so it will...
I don't wear pajamas.
You could try it.
I could... Am I tying this tennis ball?
To your back so that you can't sleep on your back. It makes you turn over.
You want me to have a tennis ball strapped to my back when I go to sleep at night?
Correct. I do. One more, and this is easy to do. Spread thyme oil on your feet.
What is thyme oil?
It's, like the herb, thyme.
Oh.
And it would smell good, and maybe it would work.
Try that. That's fine. It's
I'll
better
try
than having
anything.
a big old... I should strap a basketball to my back and see if that helps.
Yes.
A bowling ball.
Yes.